is the unboxing video for the 12 volt, 24 volt DC extension cable, item number 2599. This cable is heavy duty 18 gauge. It comes with a 15 amp fuse inside of it that's replaceable, along with an LED light to show when it has power. This 12 volt, 24 volt DC socket has a waterproof rubber cover that seals out the moisture and contaminants and is also panel mount ready. Simply unscrew this, drill a hole in the panel that you're going to mount this in, slide this through, and button it up. At 12 feet long, there's plenty of reach for your coolers, your vacuums, your air compressors, and other 12 volt devices. Thank you so much for watching our unboxing video of the 2599 12 volt, 24 volt DC socket extension. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.